Hello, dear children. Let's learn about political divisions of India. India is divided into 28 states. Let's learn about 28 states and their capitals. Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Meghalaya, Shillong, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, West Bengal, Kolkata. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.